Hi folks, let's figure out how to evaluate the publisher of an article. So we want to make sure that our article is ideally published by a scholarly journal. That would give us the best points. So I'm looking at an article that I suspect is a scholarly journal article, and I'm going to show you how I will confirm that. So here is the article. It's called Sleep Quality, Duration, and Consistency are associated with better academic performance in college students. Now, the fact that it is a long and complicated title and that it has an abstract right here kind of is a giveaway that we might be looking at a scholarly journal article. But the easiest way to check that out is to look at the description of the journal itself. So we can see that our article is published by the Science of Learning. If you're looking at the database record for the article, it will also list who the journal is and often have a link for you to click on to find out more about that journal. Here we are very lucky because we have a link we can click on, but we could also have just Googled Science of Learning Journal and found it out that way. So here's our journal. What I'm going to do immediately is go to About the Journal, right? Right now I want to find out about the journal itself, and I'm going to go to Aims and Scope. This says that the Science of Learning considers research covering all aspects of the genetic, cellular, and molecular basis of learning and memory, and understanding how children and adults learn through experience and formal educational practices. So already learning and memory, how children and adults learn through formal educational practices, that sounds like a lot of what our article was about. So already I am feeling pretty good about it, but I want to figure out if this is a peer-reviewed journal or not. So let's see. Editorial policies might help us out there. Peer review. We're looking for something that shows that it is peer-reviewed, okay? So this tells us the following types of contributions are peer-reviewed. So anything that was an article, letter, brief communication, matter arising, all these things right here are going to be peer-reviewed. So what we were looking at was an article. So that was going to be peer-reviewed, which means we are looking at a scholarly journal article that is peer-reviewed and publishes on our topic that we are interested in. So I would give that a 3.